Hi everyone, in this session I will say about the Laplace transformations of some elementary functions which are very important. So very first elementary function is t power n. Laplace transformation of t power n is equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1. If n is a positive integer, n is a positive integer. For example, consider L of t square. Here we are observing that L of t square is in the form of L of t power n. So L of t square is in the form of t power n. That's why the value of n is 2. Substitute this value of n in this formula. So you will get 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1. So it is s cube. So simply 2 factorial means only 2 by s cube. In the similar way, we have to find L of t power 5. Suppose we have to find L of t power 5. Then t power 5 is also in the form of t power n. That's why apply this formula. You will get 5 factorial by s power 5 plus 1. So 5 factorial is nothing but 120. 120 by s power 6. In this way we can apply this formula. Okay. So by using this property, you will get another one which is L of t. Okay, L of t is also in the form of t power n. So n value is power n value is 1. That's why it is 1 factorial by s square. Simply it is 1 by s square. Okay, this is another formula of L of t. Next, what is L of 1? L of 1 can be written as L of t power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Okay, so you can apply this formula for also. 0 factorial by s power 0 plus 1. So that's why 0 factorial is known as 1 by s. So simply you can write L of 1 is 1 by s. The formula for L of 1 is 1 by s. Next one, L of k. K is a non-zero constant. K is a non-zero constant. So take this constant to outside by using the linear property. In the previous session we discussed about the linear property of the Laplace transform. That's why K is a constant. Then take outside from Laplace, you will get K into L of 1. So K into what is L of 1 from the previous formula? 1 by s. Okay, that's why it is K by s. Okay, so simply you can write L of k is k by s. K is a non-zero constant which can be denoted as k belongs to r minus 0. Okay, if it is 0, L of 0 is 0. Suppose we have to find L of 20 in the problems. Suppose in future in some problems we have to find L of 20. L of 20 is nothing but L of k form. Okay, 20 by s directly. We have to find out L of minus 3. Then it becomes minus 3 by s directly. Okay. Next one is very important one. Laplace transformation of the exponential function which is e power at form. L of e power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. If s greater than a. Okay, this is very important formula. Okay, so for example, we have to find L of e power 2t, then it is in the form of e power 8. So the formula for L of e power 8 is 1 by s minus a. In the similar way here we have e power 2t instead of e power 8. That's why a is equal to 2. You will write 1 by s minus 2. Suppose we have to find L of e power 5t, then the result is 1 by s minus 5. Suppose we have to find L of e power t, then it becomes 1 by s minus 1 because it is in the form of e power 80. A is equal to 1. The next one is L of e power minus 80. So the result of this one is 1 by s plus a. This is also valid only when s greater than a. So for example, we have to find out L of e power minus 2t, then it is in the form of L of e power minus 8. So that's why it becomes 1 by s plus 2. Always we have to compare with the original structure e power minus 80. Here we have a is equal to 2. That's why it becomes 1 by s plus 2. Suppose we have to find out L of e power minus t. So this is also in the form of e power minus 8. So that's why it is 1 by s plus 1. Okay. For example, we have to find L of e power t by 2. So it is in the form of e power at. And the value of a is 1 by 2. Coefficient of t is nothing but a value. So you will get 1 by s minus 1 by 2. This is the result. Okay. For example, you have to find out L of e power minus 3t by 2. Then what is the result? It is in the form of e power minus 80. And the value of a is 3 by 2. That's why we will get 1 by s plus 3 by 2. Next one is Laplace transformation of cos 80. L of cos 80, very important one, this one also. L of cos 80 is equal to s by s square plus a square, and this formula is also valid only when s greater than a. Okay. And next one is L of sin 80. L of sin 80, which is a by s square plus a square. If s greater than a, please observe the difference between these two formulas. Okay, L of cos 80 and L of sin 80 are very important formula. So both denominators are same, numerator is different. Please observe the difference between these both formula. Okay, for example, we have to find out L of cos 3t. Then it is in the form of cos 80. So in the numerator s will come s by s square plus a square. What is a value? Coefficient of t, which is 3 square. So if you have to find out L of sin 3t, if you have to find out L of sin 3t, then it is in the form of sin 80. So you will get a by s square plus a square. What is a value in this problem? 3. So you will get 3 by s square plus 3 square. In the next step you will write as 3 square is 9. Okay, for example, consider another example. We have to find out L of cos t and L of sin t. So what is L of cos t? It is in the form of cos 80. Apply this rule. S by s square plus, what is a value here? T coefficient. T coefficient is 1 here. So you will get only 1 square. That is 1. Here L of sin 80 form. So you will get a by s square plus a square. What is a value? Coefficient of t, which is 1. 1 by s square plus 1. In this way, we can apply the formula of L of cos 80 and L of sin 80. So another one, Laplace transformation of hyperbolic functions. L of cos h80, and next one is L of sin h80. Okay, L of cos h80 is equal to s by s square minus a square, and L of sin h80 is a by s square minus a square. These both are valid only when s greater than a only. Okay, because if s is equal to a, then denominator becomes to 0, formula is not valid. Okay, please practice this 10 formula perfectly. We can use this formula in problems. Okay, if you do not understand this formula, we face very difficult in problems. Okay, thank you very much. In the next session, I will start the models in the Laplace transformations. Thank you.